welcome back to our channel. My name's Alexis.
My name's Cash.
And today we're going to be making French fries. So the two colors we'll be needing is red and yellow.
If you want to, you can use orange. And you can use orange and yellow like I did. I already mixed them together because it takes a little bit long to mix them together pretty good.
So here are the things we made earlier.
We made 2 cakes. I made the green one.
And I made this one. Comment down below mine, Alexis Squad. Hashtag Alexis Squad.
Or hashtag Cash Squad if I want.
So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the base, which is the cover for the French fries or something. So I'm going to start with the red clay. And I'm just going to mold it into, like, you know how those French fries go like that. So.
And I'm just going to start out just rolling mine out. And I'm going to use my knife. Don't worry, we know how to use these. Okay, and I'm just going to start making strips. So it looks like French fries. I'm at least going to make as much as I can. One French fry done.
So I'm just shaping it.
2. 3. 4. 5. 6. I got 6 French fries so far.
So this is what my container looks like. I'm trying to do like McDonald's, but it doesn't really look like it, but it's okay. So now I'm gonna make the French fries.
I don't have any red.
Use a different color. We don't have to be the same.
I'll use orange.
So now I'm gonna make the French fries, and yeah. So how to make the French fries is I'm just gonna roll it out and like spread it out, and then cut them into strips like French fries.
So I got my French fries cut up to really little, kind of. The biggest one I have is that big. It's a little bit orange.
So how I'm gonna do mine is I'm gonna cut this yellow piece into squares, or into a big square, and then cut those into tiny pieces. So I'm gonna cut those into tiny strips, and I'm gonna cut those in half because they have to be really tiny. Because I mean, this is Polymer Clay. We're not gonna make a sticky human-sized one. So now I have these tiny baby French fries. Okay, I'm going to cut those in half because I don't want them really poking out. Now, I'm going to stick them onto the Polymer Clay. So, just going to put it everywhere. So I'm just peeling them off and putting them in the French fry.
Here's mine.
I was just saying.
It's good.
Maybe it's Maybelline.
Probably not too big. It's fine. I'm gonna use that. Just gonna make my hair done.
on french fry. And then, yeah. So because this does not look like a french fry. Like french fries, but that's okay. Maybe you'll do better.
Me?
No, maybe y'all will do better if y'all are doing this with us. Or if y'all are going to. Yeah. So I'm just gonna make an N because like McDonald's N.
If we're not making like at least $150 a day, we're leaving. Like we'll get it free. I think we'll get it this weekend.
So it's not the real McDonald's sign because ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm just gonna do double letters so I can actually.
It's like the thing is it's got to be a money making deal because they are forcing us to recruit salespeople and not pay them a dime and not be out any money.
So it's almost done. I think I made the McDonald's sign
Hotel room.
way too big.
We are in our own hotel room. It's already booked.
And
You know what I mean? So, and they're paying for our meals. And stuff.
yeah, that's way too big.
It's like they're already invested. By the time we get there, they're investing so much
Cakes.
into building a team. I just can't fathom them.
Great.
Yeah. Yeah. But yeah. Yeah,
Okay, well, that kind of makes sense. Look like paper.
What?
It's about what happened the other night. No, it's
Yeah, popcorn.
Are you done?
No. Man, please.
I don't think there's any popcorn.
There's popcorn. Good.
Yeah.
There.
Where?
Over there.
Right here?
There's some good. So here is mine.
Right
And
here?
here's mine.
Comment down below which one's your favorite. Hashtag Alexis fries.
Or hashtag cash fries.
Okay, so bye guys. Thanks for watching.
And go check out our next video.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe.
Bye.